Benjamin Gerritszoon Cuyp or Cuyp was born December 1612, died 28 August 1652, was a Dutch Golden Age landscape painter. Benjamin learned to paint from his older half-brother, Jacob Cuyp. He was therefore the uncle, not the cousin, of the much more famous Aelbert Cuyp. He is known for allegorical pieces, genre works, beach scenes, military scenes, and landscapes. He influenced Barent van Kalraet, and was followed by Maerten Fransz van Hulst, while his Baroque painting style seems to have been influenced by Rembrandt's dramatic use of chiaroscuro.